Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1F banking sales. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. Let's let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Excel 1F banking sale. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on question number 1. Question 1 is that open the file student Excel 1F banking sales. Excel has downloaded with this project. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. So moving on, next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is that merge and center the title and then subtitle across column A to F and apply the title and heading one cell style respectively. Okay. The first point is that merge and center the title. We will select this range A1 to F1 and go to the home tab. In the alignment group, click on merge and center pattern. So, okay. And apply the title cell style. We will select this, go to the simply first we will apply merge and center. So we will apply title and heading one cell style. Okay, now we will apply heading one cell style on this. We will select this range and go to the home tab. In the style group, click on cell style button, apply heading one cell style. So moving on, next question, you can see I have applied heading one cell style on this. Question number 1 is done now. So we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 3. In question number 3, you can see on my laptop screen, okay, make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet correct gluten to gluten. Select column A and then set the column width to 24. Simply we will select this range first. Okay, we will click on cell A1 at the active cell and click the spelling in your worksheet. Check the spelling. Go to the review tab in the proofing group. Click on spelling button. Click on change all and click on OK button. So we will move on next. Okay, we will correct this spelling. It's also I have done this point. Select column A and then set the column width to 24. We will click on column A, right click on column A, right click on column and click on column width, and then we will set the column width of column A to 24. Click on column width and set 24 column width of column A. Okay. So the next point of this question is that select column B and set the width to 12. Okay, we will select column E, right click on column E, click on column width, and we will set data in 12. Click on OK button. So we will move on question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that in cell E4 construct a formula to calculate the total sale of the blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Simply we will click on cell E4. So we will construct a formula to calculate the total sales of the blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell E4, press is equal to, and then we will construct a formula in cell E4. C4 quantity multiplying by quantity sold times the retail price. So multiplying by the retail price. Okay, we will press enter, it will be show total sales. So copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, copy the formula down for the remaining products. This is so good. Moving on, question number 5. Question number 5 is that select the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products, which will be formatted in bold, to the total in cell E11. Apply the total cell style. Okay, first we will select the range E4 to E10. Okay, please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. We will select this range E4 to E10 and use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products. We will use quick analysis tool. Right click on this quick analysis button, click on total button and click on sum. So we will find the sum for all products, which will be bold, formatted in bold to be total cell E11. Apply the total cell style. Simply we will click on cell E11, go to the home tab. In the font group we will apply bold and then we will apply total cell style on this cell. Okay, go to the home tab, the font group, we will apply bold and apply total cell style. Okay, so we will move on question number 6 of this assignment. Using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for this product. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, use absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sale for the first product. Click on cell F4, press is equal to. So we will construct a formula total sales divided by E11. Okay, using absolute references value into a dollar sign. Total sales divided by. Okay, we will press enter. You can see total sales divided by cell E10. So we will press enter. It will be find percent of total sales in cell F4. Okay, copy the formula down for the remaining products. Simply copy the formula down for the remaining products. So moving on, question number 7. I have done 6 questions so far. Question number 7 is that to the computed percentage and percentage style with 2 decimal places and then center the percentage. Okay, simply we will select this computed percentage column and then we will apply percentage style with 2 decimal places and then we will press center the alignment. Apply percentage style. Go to the home tab. In the number group we will apply percentage style and apply 2 decimal places. So center the percentage. Center the. Okay, we will go to the home tab. In the alignment group, press center the alignment. Okay, so we will move on question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment so far. You can see on my laptop screen I have done 7 questions so far. So we will move on question number 8 of this assignment. Question number 8 is that apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figure to cell D4, E4 and E11. Apply the counting number formats. Okay, apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold to cell D4, E4 and E11. We will click on cell D4. Okay, we will set this. Okay, to cell D4, E4 and E11. D4 apply counting number format and E4 apply counting number format and then cell E11 apply counting number format. Okay, I have done 8 questions so far. Moving on question number 8. You can see on my laptop screen. Please, if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Question number 9 is that to the range D5 to E10, apply the comma style. Basically in this question, first we will select this range D5 to E10. So we will apply the comma style on this range. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will select first this range. Okay. D5 to E5 and go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply comma style on this range. Okay. Okay, I have done 9 questions of this assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. Reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on MyItLab Pearson, Sankej Mintap, MC Grohill Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.